This would be the last video for lecture 1. This is about interfaces. Again, something that you should be knowing from ICS 141 and 240. An interface is like a class, but it is just a specification for it. I mean, it is coded like a class in the sense you write public, but instead of class, you write interface and then give a name, and then you write methods, but you just put semicolons after the method signature. There is no body. So for example, we are saying that there is an interface called student list and it has these methods. This is nothing but a specification saying if you write a class that implements student list, it has to have these methods. So you can have a number of implementations of this specification. So for example, student linked list implements student list. So student list is an interface and this class implements that. Now you have to provide methods, bodies, right? You have to say how you're going to add a student, delete a student, print students, etc. So this class realizes, implements, makes it concrete, makes this interface concrete. It satisfies a requirement. You can have a second class that satisfies the same requirement. That is here. Student array list implements student list. It has a different way of implementing things. And it has its own methods for doing things, right? Somewhat similar to interfaces are abstract classes. But instead of being an interface, a class, this is a class, but we have the word abstract in front of class. What it means is there are fields and possibly methods that are having a body, but it could also have methods that have the word abstract in front of them, and you have a semicolon right after the signature saying, I don't have a body for it. I don't know how to implement it. It is for the subclasses to implement. An abstract class need not have any abstract methods, but if you have an abstract method, if you have a method that is declared abstract, the class has to be declared abstract. And you cannot instantiate an abstract class. That ends the lecture material. We will review this through question answers in the class, and we will have a number of problems solved through class exercises. But please review this material.